cool cardboard and popsicle stick Nerf guns. So let's get into it.
Don't lose control. You're sinking in your dreams, it's holding on. Breathe it out. Can you feel this weight around your neck? It's time to let it
Okay, so you watched the time lapse, and now I've got to show you them in action. So, first I'm going to start with the crossbow, because that's the first in the video. So, this one doesn't shoot very far. I mean, it shoots, it's not like it just goes pfft. But I mean, it shoots a good distance, but not a good distance compared to this one. This one is a lot easier to build, and a lot easier to load. Like, if you just saw like that, I just went 1, 2, there you go, like that. Put in my little Nerf dart. Or you can also use these popsicle stick projectiles. They'll shoot as well. So let's see how this builds. Have some cardboard popsicle sticks for structure. These jumbo popsicle sticks. This clothespin. These jumbo popsicle sticks with the 2 rubber bands tied together. The knot is important because the knot fits right into that little hole right there in the clothespin. That's basically it for that one. The second one has a template. This is the same piece or same handle as the flamethrower. So I just kind of cut off the end and other parts. This is not the flamethrower, it's just the template, using the same template. So this template may not look long enough to you. You can just extend these 2 straight lines out as far as you want. And make it however long. You can make it like teeny, like a little pistol. I suggest around this length just so the rubber band can be stretched tight enough. I had this nice thick one. That one looks really good. This rubber band is just to keep it so that when it goes flying, it doesn't go flying away, because then you lose the rubber band, and that's annoying. So to load it, not as easy as the other one. Take this little loading tool, you put it between like that, and then, see if you can see that. I pull it up, and then I open the popsicle stick, not the popsicle stick, open the clothespin, and then pinches it. Then I use it again like this, and hook it around the end of this right here. That's a really important part, because that stretches it real tight. You put the tool right in here, in this little part. This can also store extra ammo, so I can put like this in. And now, stick your Nerf dart, or one of these in. The Nerf darts obviously shoot better because they're lighter, so I'd suggest using a Nerf dart. And then you can just shoot it. So, I think this one looks a lot better than the crossbow. If you like crossbows, cool, make this one. Maybe you want to make it look a little more fancy. I just wanted to get the basic idea. This one I was going for more of a fancy shotgun look. I used the template. If you notice there's a seam right there, that's just because I didn't want to not waste cardboard. I had little scraps, so I decided to just use it instead of getting more. Because this is double thick cardboard, if I didn't say. If you don't know what double thick cardboard is, check out the top 5 tips and tricks video. And you can figure out what double thick cardboard is. So yeah, double thick cardboard. Wrapped on the outside, I just use single cardboard. It could be paper cardboard. If you don't know what paper cardboard is, check out that same video, top 5 cardboard tips and tricks. So yeah, I wrapped the outside in single cardboard, not paper. Could be paper, it doesn't really matter. This inside part isn't wrapped or anything. You can just see right into the inside. I have these rubber bands to hold on the ammo and the reloading tool. This extra rubber band is just to keep this one from flying away, like I said. Jumbo popsicle sticks in here. This clothespin. Really nice trigger. Really easy to reach. Feels real nice in your hand. So, I think that's just about it. Okay. Is there anything else? Yeah, I mean, you can print out these templates, cut it out. Or you can not print out templates. I mean, you can just do whatever kind of handle you want. This one, you could maybe use a similar handle as this. I didn't really think so. I thought it was more like a crossbow, also like a gun. Okay, I think that just about wraps today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hello everybody, STech here, and today we're going to be looking at how to make these 2 really cool cardboard and popsicle stick Nerf dart shooting guns. Okay, let's get into it. Gosh darn it, I missed. This is going to be really hard. Hello everybody, STech here, and today we're going to be looking at how to make these 2 really cool Nerf dart cardboard shooting guns. Let's get into it. not the desired effect. Let's get into it. How? I thought I could knock over the phone with it. Oh gosh, this is gonna be really hard. Let's get into it.